What's up, my people? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. All right, guys, so if you don't know, my name is Usdchf, the founder of Forex Media and Academy. All right, guys, so super excited. Actually made $1,500 trading Usdchf as analyzed on Sunday. I dropped the setup in the previous video. If you missed the video, kindly go back and go and watch it. So I'm going to be showing you how we'll be milking Usdchf, guys. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, ensure that you click the subscribe button and on your notification so that you don't miss any video, because more profitable contents are going to be dropped back to back. All right, guys, so see you in the next slide. All right, guys, so welcome back to the next phase of this video. All right, guys, so guys, remember this setup we made on Usdchf in the last video. In case you missed the video, go to our channel and do what? Watch the video. It was highly well explained and profitable, right? So I'm going to show you how we actually made $1,500 trading Usdchf. All right, so in the previous video we actually did what? Analyze two entries, that is from the buy and for the sell. All right, we predicted it to get to actually sell, and for buy we predicted it to buy, just in case we have the kind of conference that we're looking at. All right, so it's actually moved in the favor of what? Buy, and we got in at this breakout. All right, so breakout of this zone. Okay, so and we bought the market up to this point where we actually made about $750 plus. Then in the afternoon, that's Monday afternoon, that's the day our market actually opened. All right, so we sold this same Usdchf down to this point, and it smashed what? TP again. So that's a total of what? 1,500 plus US dollars. All right, so isn't that crazy? Very crazy on a Monday. So we're not done with Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. All right, so another benefit of this video is what? We have another buy setup, because we are not actually done with trading Usdchf. We have another entry, guys. So I don't know when you're going to be viewing this video. All right, so I hope you view it in time, because like I said to you, ensure you on your notification panel so that you don't miss any profitable content that was dropping. You know why this channel was actually created now, the reason why it was created. Okay, so ensure that you subscribe and turn on your notification panel so you don't miss out of any video. All right, so now I'm dropping another setup that what is going to help you to make a lot of profit from the market. All right, so I've actually gotten for a buy already currently as I'm shooting this video. All right, so we got in for a buy and we're already in what? Profit. Like I said, we're not done with Usdchf. Okay, so we're buying this, and we'll get in for more entries once we actually have a breakout from this place. All right, from this zone. Once we have a breakout, then what happens? We buy, you add more positions, we stack up, and what? It gets to where? To the top. All right, okay, guys, so like I said, we are still trading what? Usdchf. So stick to the channel. More setups, more profitable content, more strategy. Everything is going to be dropped for you guys. All right, so stick to the channel like I always say. So I still remain your humble mentor, David Unwoye, the founder of Forex Media and Academy. All right, guys, so also you can actually follow our Instagram pages. You can find it in the description. Okay, so like and also what? Comment on the video. All right, guys, see you in the next YouTube video. Remain profitable. Bye.